In this video you will get to know an awesome way to get insanely creative GIFs, photos and videos. PIVO will help you to sensationalize your smartphone photography with a genius little pod 360 degrees, auto-tracking, ManyMe, DoubleTake, Tiny Planet, and more. So let me quickly walk you through.
This is PIVO. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. PIVO can follow you as you move.
We always start with sanding.
With both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. PIVO partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with PIVO you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. PIVO has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo. Whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is ManyMe. For a shot with many you.